Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wattpad beta. You will click on settings as you see and you will enter. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Wattpad beta and you will click here. Then here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.